Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pull out the maximum or minimum row in a particular data frame based on the value of an arbitrary feature. So let me just show you the data frame we'll be playing around with called iris. As you can see, we have 5 variables. Let's just arbitrarily make the problem that we want to pull out the row, the entire row, for the flower, that's what these rows represent, with the maximum sepal length. Let's start with that. It's really simple. So instead of just looking at the iris in its entirety, we're going to index iris, and we're going to use the which.max function. And here we're going to specify the sepal length. Okay, and we see that the 132nd row, which is less interesting to us, but the flower virginica with species virginica had a length of 7.9, and that was the maximum. Okay, what about the minimum? We could do that as well. There's a function called which.min, and we see that the minimum was 4.3, and we get all the features for that flower as well. Okay, what if I wanted some arbitrary ranking? Well, I could use a little bit of my order, so I can order iris based on sepal length, and then request any arbitrary rank that I'm interested in. There is a little bit of a problem, and that is when you have ties. We won't get into that in this video. It's a little bit more advanced issue, but for now, ignoring that problem, glossing over it for a second, we can, in the square brackets here, put any rank that we're interested in. For example, the 150th, which we know because there's 150 rows, will also correspond to the maximum. No surprise that we get the same result as when we use which.max. And if I request the first in order, I'll get the minimum, which corresponds to what we got when we use the which.min function. But I'm not limited to that now. I can look for the 11th rank, right? And I get that flower. So if there's a particular rank that you're interested in, again, with a big asterisk that if there are ties, this is not going to solve that issue. It's only going to give you the first of those ties. But otherwise, this is a way to build up your vocabulary and ability to combine functions in order to grab what you need in R. Oftentimes, there isn't a canned function that does exactly what you like, but you can use a combination of other available functions in a novel way to grab what you need. Okay, so I hope this was helpful and got the wheels turning. Till next time, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Check out the other videos I have up on Jalea Academy, and have a great day.